Hey my peeps, let's make a cute mug topper for this mug I found at my thrift store. It's a Hershey s'mores mug. So I'm gonna fill in the cup with a piece of cardboard and toilet paper roll, and then I'm just gonna put half of a foam ball on top just to give it height and stability. And I found this mold, this cute little mold that reminds me of graham crackers on TEMU, and I made tiny little s'mores. So I just made the mold, took a piece of white clay, smashed it into the cracker, and then I got my mixture of Mod Podge, cork, and paint, and I'm just going to put some melted chocolate around the edge, you know, to make it look like the melted chocolate on a real s'more. And I only made like 4 of those, but you can make as many as you want. So I put that one to the side to get dry. I had already made some in advance. So then I'm using spackle, but if you want, you can use softened clay to do your cream on top of your mug. And just put it up as high as you want. Now I got me a sprinkle mix of a small sprinkle mix, so I'm just putting some on top, and I'm sprinkling some of that sand that I got from Dollar Tree that reminds me of cookie crumbs. So now I'm just putting sprinkles all around here and there on my spackle. And now I'm just gonna go put on my s'mores. I put a little bit of tacky glue so like that when everything dries together it won't fall off, because I didn't stick a toothpick or anything in there. I mean, you could do it with a toothpick, but I just decided to stick on some tacky glue so like when it dries it just sticks to the spackle. And then, you know, placement is tricky. I wish I would have used that 5th one, but the 5th little s'more, but I didn't. So now I got some Teddy Grahams, and everybody's always asking me where I got the Teddy Grahams from. I made a mold with a real Teddy Graham, but you could find the mold on Etsy. There's sellers on Etsy that sell that mold. So then I took my cork, Mod Podge, and paint mixture again, and I just put chocolate drizzle over the top of my spackle, which I should have did that first, but I forgot, and so I'm just putting the drizzle all over now. But you should put the drizzle on first. That's like right after you put the spackle on, put the drizzle. So now I made some tiny marshmallows, and I'm just putting some here and there and everywhere. And then I got me some of the fake chocolate chips from Play Code 3, and I'm adding some of those. I just wanted the topper to be filled up with a bunch of stuff, and you know, marshmallows and s'mores and Teddy Grahams and all that good stuff. It's a lot of stuff. So then I took my Mod Podge and cork mixture, and I wanted to have like a little drip coming off the top of the mug. So I put some drips here and some drips there. And when you put in your drip, just put enough, and then you tap your mug and it just drips down, okay? You don't have to put a lot, like make it drip all the way down. Just put some at the edge, and then tap your mug and it'll start dripping down. And there you go. That's my Hershey s'mores mug. Like I said, I found that mug at my thrift store, and you might find one too. Alright, and look at all those s'mores goodies we have been doing for about the past month or so. Hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.